So you've taken a picture of the moon and you hate it. Well, I've done the same thing. I've taken awful photos of the moon because it's not an easy photo to take. Well, actually, it really is easy if you follow some steps that I'm going to show you here. So stick with me and I'll show you how to do that. The reason they come out so ugly is it's in our mind, it's hard to understand how to expose the photo. And the camera can't figure it out whatsoever. So if you're in any type of auto mode, you're not going to get a photo that you like most of the time. So what settings do you need? Number one, it's not a setting, you need a tripod. Number two, get you a longer lens or borrow one from a friend in a photography club, or go on a photo shoot when you're going to do some photo shots of the moon and borrow someone else's. Those lenses start at about $400 or $500 and go up from there, so it can get rather pricey. So we've got a tripod, we've got a camera, we've got a lens, got it mounted on there. So let's set the camera in manual mode. ISO is in manual. We're going to set that to 100. We're going to start our aperture at f8.0 and start our shutter speed on 1 second. And if it's an uber bright moon like I had last night after my photography club meeting, I took this photo right here. This photo was ISO 100. Like I said, I never changed that. Then I will be at an f-stop of f22 in this case, and my shutter speed was 1/12. I make the adjustments after I take a few pictures to see what it's like. Once I've got those settings, then I start framing up for what I like. And that's when I got the building in front of the moon to get a little foreground texture to it. If you're getting something out of these videos that you like, hit the subscribe and like. I really appreciate it. If you want to understand a little bit more about manual mode, I've got a video up here. Make sure you check that out to understand the exposure triangle for shutter speed, aperture, and ISO and how those work. This is Doug Gabbard, practicing photography, one photo at a time. Now go take pictures. Have a great day.